Right from the start you can feel the tension, the judge's calm tone versus the defendant's chaotic energy, but hey, race the twist, this isn't a movie, it's a real courtroom meltdown. Let's see how fast this escalates.
Person at the jail, what is your name?
You don't know my name?
Yes, what is your name?
You don't know my name. Who are you?
I'm Judge Wiggins. I'm the judge of the 84th District Court. I have a name on paper. I just want to confirm it's you. So who is your name?
Now this is where the defense attorney steps in, or tries to, when he says competency issues. That's legal code for is this person mentally fit to stand trial. It's the judge's job to figure that out before the case can move forward.
Yes, what is your name?
You're under investigation.
That's what, I'm sorry?
You're under investigation for saying what is my name. You don't know who I am since I've been here?
Are you Yuri Alexikov?
That is he.
Assaulting or resisting a police officer, that's a serious felony, and if it happens inside jail the sentence can stack. Should the system go easier when the accused is clearly unstable or rules are rules?
That is you?
That is me, yeah. That is he, that's me. This is the name I was given.
Were somebody from the defender's office able to meet with him today?
Briefly, he declined my help, but I would like to raise competency issues nonetheless.
I did not
sir,
I just asked for copy machines, I asked him to grab camera footages of body movements from these, see how to inspect body language, see if there's any kind of whispering while I was in that jail cell talking, like for 24 hours straight. If they did not record my threats I was making during that stay at the jail cell, if they didn't record, he said, I'm going to check systems in other copy machines, if it's how it was been made and built in other jails, if it's capable of recording, and I'll see who manufactures these copy machines, if it's erased from that capability to not record.
And here it goes, full sovereign citizen mode. The defendant is now accusing the judge of being part of a terrorist organization. This kind of language usually triggers a swift response in court, but watch how the judge keeps his composure.
If it's been erased, you guys will all be charged for tampering with evidence.
All right. Well, I have a process I have to go through, so let me get through that first. So I have a complaint that alleges that on or about October 8th, 2025, in the village of Buckley in Wexford County, it is alleged that you committed the offense of police officer assault, resist, and obstruct. That is a felony punishable by up to 2 years in prison and or a fine of $2,000, and consecutive sentencing may be imposed if it happened in a place of confinement. Additionally, you're charged with...
Guys, investigation, my friend. Who you are, we're going to put you under investigation, honorable. You're not an honorable judge anymore. Corey Wiggins, you're under investigation. Who you are, who we have contact with it. You're government employees, so you're within the terrorist organization. We're going to find out because there's corruption involved. There's attempted assassination on me. I was poisoned. I have the right to defend myself. Any kind of Russia to be notified, any terroristic arrest. I said 7 months ago, you guys arrested terrorists. I said Russia has to be notified because I was poisoned. Any food given to me, I count America as there's terrorists for corruption.
Notice how the argument spirals into talk of Russia, poison, and planes. At this point it's no longer about the charges, it's a psychological unraveling. The court is balancing patience with protection.
You guys want to kill. So I want Russia to be notified, send a plane. You say, you already know they can just get the copy machines, get them and follow the orders. Follow the security I built inside me to combat terrorism and corruption. Thank you very much. And we will stand for the law. We'll not bow down to filth and corruption in the system. We'll not. We'll take action. We the people will take action. You're all these counties under investigation for attacking, for accusing me, Judge. You're under investigation. You understand? For threatening October 7th,
number 2, you're charged with malicious destruction of fire or police property.
We're gonna monitor you. We're gonna see what you have, because there was attempted assassination on me. All right? You better shut your mouth and sit. There's nobody.
That is a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and or a fine of $5,000.
I have the right to threaten.
When the judge finally orders him removed, you can almost feel the relief in the room. Should judges keep their cool at all costs, or is there a breaking point where enough is enough?
Poison. I said a long time ago, Authorize a plane to land. I was poisoned. I have the right to defend myself to get out of this lane for terrorism. I have the right. Do you understand that, Judge?
Additionally, you've been charged as a fourth habitual offender.
Listen, I don't care about your charges. Judge, if you insult me one more time, do it. Tell me you're going to charge me. Contact Russia before you charge me. You're not allowed to charge me prior to any terrorist arrest. Russia to be notified. Did you notify Russia? You're under arrest.
That makes each of those charges punishable by up to 15 years in prison.
Sit. I don't care about your charges. Sit, you terrorist. Corrupt terrorist. Sit.
On felony complaints, you have certain rights. You have the right to remain silent. All right, corrections, you can remove him. We'll try this at a different time. I don't want to endanger yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Right. You're not going to accuse me of any charges. You're not going to have victory.